Introducing Transport QC, the industry's lightest portable quick connect locomotive remote control system designed for plant rail operations. Transport QC is designed to be portable between locomotives and installs in as little as 5 minutes. The single 24 by 24-inch enclosure, weighing 65 pounds with the train brake, includes a handle for easier transportation. Transport QC features throttle control, directional control, independent brake control tilt detection, emergency brake, wheel slip control, and train line alarm monitoring. The heated cabinet is designed to sustain temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent airline freeze-up. Each I/O is independently fused, replaceable, and include an LED when turned on, eliminating rework and rewiring when a single output goes bad, and is designed to allow pneumatics to be taken apart without having to disassemble the entire package. Transport QC is compatible with the Transport OCU, Paddle and Toggle OCU, and the AO Series OCU. Transport QC is part of Cattron's complete line of transport products, offering long-lasting durability and reliability that minimize downtime and ensure your system delivers the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. For more information or to arrange a demo, visit Cattron.com.